Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Gmail filters for faster inbox sorting, full guide step by step clearly. Open your Gmail account in your web browser. Locate the search bar at the top of the page. Click on the small downward facing arrow in the search bar to open the advanced search options. In the From field, type the email address of the sender you want to filter. If you want to filter emails based on keywords, enter those in the Has the Words field. For filtering specific subjects, include keywords in the subject field. You can also specify a date range by filling in the date within fields if needed. Once you have entered your criteria, click on the Create Filter button at the bottom right of the search options. A new window will appear with options for how you want Gmail to handle the filtered emails. You can choose to skip the inbox, mark as read, or apply a label, among other options. Select the desired actions by checking the corresponding boxes. If you want to apply this filter to existing conversations, make sure to check the option that says Also Apply Filter to Matching Conversations. Click on the Create Filter button to finalize your settings. Your filter has now been created and will take effect for incoming emails. To review or edit your existing filters, click on the gear icon in the upper right corner. Select See All Settings from the drop-down menu. Navigate to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Here you can view, edit, or delete any filters you have created. Congratulations, you can now configure Gmail filters to better manage your inbox. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.